Outage coordinators have a number of different challenges. They're constrained to really live within the definition of the outage management system, as opposed to being able to configure the outage management system to be able to handle different use cases in the way that they want to based on their business.
Many companies have process changes throughout the year or years, and being able to easily configure or change your WebOMS system can save a lot of time and money.
One of the primary challenges is the need to be able to bring in all of the outage information from a variety of external sources, which could be internal to their company or external to their company, and being able to receive it in a timely manner in one system that allows them to give full access to outage information. For outage coordinators, especially for larger organizations where they have a number of different customers, they may have the need to bring in data from their plants, data from external company sources. There may be some data privacy issues with regard to being able to control what users see what outages and maybe what portions of those outages. And so that ability to have configurability of internal data versus external data and who can view outage data is important. For an OMS system, the ability to export outage information is critical. If you're going external to your system in terms of external systems, market systems are going to be very critical in being able to report outages and then the updates to outages to those market systems.
When there's many different outage coordinators on a desk at different times, one will handle an outage one way and one may handle it a different way. This can end up leading to user mistakes and outages just being processed completely differently. Without a modern OMS, there may be a lot of user intervention that uses a lot of time and resources. With a modern OMS, such as WebOMS, everything can be automated so that outages transition through the process very smoothly.
Outage coordinators need to interact within the organization at multiple time periods. Internally, as they need to disseminate that outage information to the planning groups and to the transmission operation groups to be able to make sure that everyone is informed of the outage and any updates are received in a timely manner. And then once the outage gets to that point that it needs to be executed, that ability to coordinate with external crews and real-time operators to make sure that the information is communicated effectively throughout the organization. A system that provides kind of that historical perspective of the life cycle of the outage, who interacted with that outage at what time, what changes did they make, is critical for an outage coordinator. So they need the quick means to look at what is the current version of the outage and how did it get here. And the system allows for that life cycle to be well defined, though it can be unique for different outages of different types. We have a team that's very excited about building a quality product for the WebOMS tool for OATI, and so the people that have been involved have been very energized to take on new ideas, new challenges, and new ways of looking at how can we make the tool better.
There's always something new coming up, always some new challenge to deal with, and it's constantly interesting.